Hi, welcome to RR Guitar Community. My name is Raymond.
And I'm Eric, and today we're going to teach you a song called Proving Grounds.
So this song uses 2 chords and also a 3-note melody played on the bottom E string. The song Proving Grounds is a continuation of the previous 2 lessons where we showed you how to play some beginner chords and also some basic melodies. We'd recommend you to check them out first, but if you haven't, the link is up here.
If you already know a few basics, you should be able to pick it up quite quickly. Let's check it out. Let's start with the verse section. Start by playing an E minor chord on the first beat of the song. The E minor chord will last for 8 beats, after which you change to the A sus2 chord, also lasting for 8 beats. If you're unsure what we're talking about, you can follow the on-screen directions. Here we go. Try and play along with me.
So in the chorus section, we use 3 notes, which are an open 0, a 2, and a 3, all on the bottom E string. So if you take a look at this tab, you'll see that the melody notes are 3, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 3, 0. So each of those notes will be played for 4 beats. And if you're unsure about when to play the next note, you can follow the on-screen directions and they will help you. Alright, so let's give it a shot. Try play along with me.
So now that we know how to play the individual parts, let's try put them together. For the verse section, you want to play each chord 4 times per chord. After that, you go into the chorus section immediately, which is the melody, and that you play twice, the whole melody. After that, you do everything from the start over again, and then the song ends. Remember that you most likely won't be able to play this song perfectly right away, but practice makes perfect, so keep at it.
That's right, and if you still feel like you're struggling, you can go check out our chord level 1 and our melody level 1 videos, and you can revisit the exercises in there. Once again, link is up here.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe for more content.
You can also ring that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified whenever we release a new video.
Which is at least once a week.
Click over here to check out our next video.
Click over here to visit our channel for videos of song tutorials, techniques, full courses, and gear reviews.
We also goof around occasionally with some fun challenges.
Click over here to visit our website.
We have monthly competitions and giveaways,
And in the near future, we'll have user profiles with unlockable achievements
full educational courses with skill trees.
and personal skill verification with live feedback.
Thanks for being part of our guitar community.
See you next time.